guys, it's your boy Restless Kicks here coming at you with another video, and in today's video we're going to be going to Chicken and Cars in Houston, Texas. So I'm going to meet up my boy Ramsey there. I'm driving my Tundra right now, which y'all haven't even seen on the channel. The video will come soon talking about the Tundra. But I mean, it's a chill little meet, you know, nothing crazy, no drifting or anything. But I mean, I think most of the purchases that are made at the chicken place that we're having it at, I think it's a Hearts or something, are going towards veterans or something along those lines. I don't know all the details, but Ramsey invited me to it. Ramsey's gonna be there. His car is out of commission, but I'll let him talk about that when we get to the meet. So I mean, I'll see you guys at the meet. I'm at the car show. Give you all a little reveal of my truck here. She's not much. A little modification. There's a lot to come with this truck. A lot to come. I actually have a screw in my tire right now, but she's good. Flowmaster Super 44. She's really dirty. There's still some pin tracking left over on this side. Just said I got it all off though. But we're gonna make a full video on this. I just wanted to update you guys anyways. Ramsey's over there. There goes the Corvette that we wrapped. I don't know if y'all follow us on Instagram, you can see it. It looks pretty sick.
What the fuck is up, guys? Welcome back to another vlog after 7 whole ass months. And here we go. Your boy Harper brought out the V8 cum stain drenched headlight having Toyota Tundra 02. So bitches, I know y'all know my car is out of commission. We're gonna talk about that today. So it turns out the last accident that I had, and it wasn't my fault, but single car accident, and yeah, insurance might be taking care of it, or your boy is trading up. So Hearts Chicken.
Y'all take a look at this Cobalt with a Corvette body kit right here. It's got a nice custom wrap job. It's a really good wrap job. It's almost like some of the best guys in the business did it. I don't know if you can really see that. Wrapped by Ramsey. Yeah, we did this. I don't know if you follow us on Instagram at Made Great Customs. You'll see the progress and everything. Yeah, we're just showing the meat.
For the snap.
So guys, something happened on the way home.